So what is good guys, we are back again for another vlog. Dito lang sa ating munting channel. And for today guys, one of the events dito sa Jollibee Lakefront Sukat Muntinlupa ay itong Christmas lighting na magaganap mamayang gabi. I'm not sure guys kung anong oras mag-i-start yung Christmas lighting, pero isa sa mga bisita dito na dadalo is na mga RMs and basically si Camille Villar daw. And ito yung itsura ng labas guys ng Sukat Jollibee Lakefront. Yung mga Christmas light guys mamaya pa sisindihan yan. And then ayan nga, dyan po pwesto. And doon banda is naayos yung kalsada, naway maging maganda at smooth ang operation or ng flow ng event mamaya. Medyo makulimlim pa ngayon guys, and sana maging maayos. Peace!
More moments later.
So yun guys, ito yung magiging flow niya. Bali sa loob is ito yung magiging program flow mamaya ng event.
12 seconds later.
And unfortunately guys, hindi tayo makakasama sa pagbubukas ng Christmas lighting. And hindi natin makikita ang kung anong ganap mamaya dun sa labas. Break ko kasi ngayon kaya nakapag-video pa kasama ang mga takupan. Ayan, sayang, pero kukuha pa rin tayo dun sa mga magsasend mamaya sa GC ng mga videos. At ito yun.
20 minutes later.
At yun guys, basically nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng store natin, and we have the privilege, as I said earlier, na ma-coverage itong Christmas lighting.
Moments later.
Okay guys, hindi lang mga RMs ang mga kasama natin dito, kundi ang mga titinda ng tabog mo.
One eternity later.
So yun guys, malapit na magsimula, and pasensya na ha. The most of the video, we will be featuring guys ang Jollibee Lakefront Christmas light.
12 seconds later.
Hey everyone, hello! Merry Christmas Lakefront! Hello, jolly evening, and welcome to a night filled with joy and celebration. I am Jo Brillantes, and I'm so delighted to be here. Everyone, can you feel the Christmas air? Because I certainly can, kasi naaamoy ko yung puto bongbong on my side. Right? It's really the start of Christmas season, and I'm sure everyone here is looking forward to what will happen later. About how Jollibee continues to share the joy for over 45 years and take us through the essence of Jollibee's most recent Christmas campaign. Everyone, once again, give it up for Mr. Kakam Gabonada.
Thank you so much. Jolly evening, jolly holidays, Lakefront! Jolly evening and jolly holidays to everyone. Ako po si Kakam mula sa Team Jollibee, and it is my great pleasure, together with our partner Sir Martin and his team, to welcome you tonight here at Jollibee Lakefront as we usher in a truly all-out, joyful, and meaningful Christmas season. Alam niyo naman, as we enter the holiday season, I think this is just perfect opportunity to look back with gratitude and be thankful for all our achievements and joys this year, 2024. Para sa amin sa Jollibee, this means giving back to our dear customers, kayo po yun, our dear ma'ams and sirs, by making this season even more special, even more brighter. for everyone as we celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. Alam natin, ang Pasko para sa Pilipino is a one-of-a-kind special celebration. And as the special day approaches, tayo dito sa Pilipinas, we pour our hearts into going all out in making the season more joyful and memorable for our loved ones. And when it comes to gatherings, alam na natin yan, walang celebration na kumpleto without the best food that brings everyone together. Tama po ba yun? Yes! And sa usapan ng best food, of course, nandyan ang pambansang fried chicken ng ating Jollibee Chicken Joy, the best dish for an all-out Christmas celebration. Known for its crispy-licious skin and juicy-licious meat, our Chicken Joy has been part of Filipino families' Christmas celebrations for generations and generations, bringing out only the best in taste but also the best in joy. Tama ba yun? Christmas and Chicken Joy in every Filipino Noche Buena. And to make this Christmas truly Paskoes, the most joyful and memorable it can be, there's no addition quite like our very own Chicken Joy. Sabi nga, pride and joy ng Pilipino para sa buong mundo. Pero bago siya lumabas, pride and joy sa Noche Buena ko. Diba? Noche Buena nating lahat. At aside from Chicken Joy, we still have more surprises in store for all of you. We want Filipinos all over the country to feel the Paskoes Christmas spirit whenever they visit a Jollibee store. Beginning tonight with our very own, together with Sir Martin, Jollibee Lakefront. So I hope you're as excited as we are for the highlight of our event later. And in the meantime, please enjoy the rest of the program. And thank you once again. And I wish everyone the Paskoes most joyful Christmas season. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Sir Kakam. Talagang
One eternity later.
So yun guys, nandito pa rin tayo. And basically, napakinggan nyo at napanood nyo yung mga mensahe ng dalawa sa Big Boss ng Jollibee, no? And malapit ng sindihan tong Jollibee.
12 seconds later.
Ingay yun.
Jollibee and
20 minutes later.
everyone, please welcome
you